now I'm ready to show them what happens when the reliable one finally walks away. I didn't always have $12,000 to throw away on people who didn't deserve it. For most of my 20s, I was barely holding it together. 2 jobs, 1-bedroom apartment with a leaky ceiling, and a checking account that flirted with overdraft more than I did with actual humans. But I made it work, because I thought that's what family does. You help. You show up. You fill in the gaps so others can stand tall, even if it breaks your own back. My mom, retired high school teacher, voice like vinegar in tea, used to call me her steady one. She said it like a compliment. It wasn't. It was
Follow the instructions and just cut
you
each
don't
chord.
ask for
But I
much.
find for me,
So we'll
I like
keep
every
asking for
These will
more.
be the side
It started
supports, and now
small.
I did the exact
Just
same
a
thing on
little
the other
loan to
side,
cover the
and I'm just
furnace.
cutting a piece of
Emma's
one
tuition